Hey guys, converting your Skrill balance to USD or Euro is quick and straightforward if you know the best method to minimize fees. Step 1, log in to Skrill and go to balance, convert currency. Step 2, choose the currency you want to convert to, USD or Euro. Enter the amount. Skrill shows you the exchange rate and the small fee applied. Step 3, confirm the conversion. Funds are updated instantly in your account. Pro tips: check mid-market exchange rates before converting. Sometimes it's better to convert on certain days when rates are favorable. Consider holding multiple wallets in different currencies inside Skrill. This reduces repeated conversions and saves fees over time. Avoid converting during weekends or holidays when rates may include higher spreads. That's the full guide to convert your Skrill funds safely, efficiently, and cost effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.